Hello. In this video, we will set up our unit test project. If you like my content, please like and subscribe to my channel. Let's start with adding XUnit project into our solution. For this, select the Add New Project option. In this page, select XUnit Test Project template. Now in this page, we need to give name of our project and location. In this page, we don't need to anything. This will add unit test project in our solution. Now we need to delete generated default class. We need to rebuild the solution to check if everything is working or not. Now, we need to add our test class. But, first, we add a folder and name it ViewModelTest. Here in this folder, we add our test class. Name of our class is Main Window ViewModelTest. To get Solidworks working in your unit test project, here's what you do. First, in the Solution Explorer, find your project's Dependencies node and right-click it. Then, choose Add COM Reference. A new window will pop up. In its search bar, type SOL, that'll help narrow things down. You should see Solidworks Constant Library, select that. Now, go back to the search bar and type SLD this time. Find and select Solidworks Library. Finally, click OK. And that's it. This will add the Solidworks references you need to your test project. Now we add mock NuGet package. Select Manage NuGet Packages option. In NuGet tab, click Browse, then select Mock. Select Install button to install it. Now we need to update the Install NuGet packages. This will resolve any issues with packages. Here we are adding reference to project we want to test. Project is added, but with some warnings. To fix this warning, we need to change framework of test project. Copy the framework from reference project. Double-click on test project and paste the framework. This will fix the warning. To check everything is working correctly, rebuild the project. Thank you for watching. See you in next video.